We track our steps, our calories, and our spending every day. But one of the most important metrics for our future is still invisible, our carbon footprint. Carbon data exists, but it is fragmented and impossible to track manually. This is Carbon Tracer AI, a mobile application that turns everyday life into actionable climate data, powered by Gemini's multimodal intelligence. Let's start with food. You don't have to type medium rare steak into a form. With Carbon Tracer AI, you can just scan. Using Gemini 3.0 Flash, the app instantly analyzes the image, identifies what you're eating, and estimates its lifetime carbon footprint. For barcoded products, we enrich Gemini's analysis with open food facts data, combining AI reasoning with structured product databases for faster and more accurate results. For home energy, users log their electricity or gas usage. The app calculates your carbon emissions using US grid averages from the EPA and divides by household size for your personal daily footprint. Transportation is another major source of emissions. Carbon Tracer AI includes GPS-based travel tracking. Using Google Maps APIs, we calculate the routes and distances, and the app automatically detects your transport mode from speed patterns. For flights, we integrate the Google Travel Impact Model API to calculate accurate aviation emissions based on aircraft type and route. All of this feeds into your daily dashboard, with trends, streaks, and achievements that reward lower carbon choices. The goal isn't guilt, it's awareness, feedback, and habit formation. We leverage 4 Google APIs to power this experience. First, the Generative Language API, Gemini 3.0 Flash, handles all visual reasoning. Point your camera at anything, and Gemini identifies it, understands the context, and estimates carbon impact. For transportation, we use the Maps Directions API to calculate routes, the Places API for location search, and the Travel Impact Model API for accurate flight emissions based on aircraft data. We also connect to an open-source product database to identify products from barcodes. This hybrid approach combines Gemini's reasoning with structured databases for faster and more accurate results. We live in a world where companies trade carbon credits already. Sooner or later, it will be only more important for individuals to track their carbon footprint too. Our applications helps you to see your impact, act smarter, and live greener every day.